A workplace is defined more than just a room with a desk and chair. It displays a rich work personality of a person. For me, a desk is somewhere where I can think and grow, especially in my career as a marketer, photographer and content creator. My name is Aydin Hutchison. If you're new to this channel, welcome. Without further ado, let's get started. My desk setup is really minimal. I have only just finished working on getting it sorted so that it could work properly. I own two 4K monitors for photo and video editing. I have 3D printed rack mounts that screw in. This keeps the laptop squared away so that I have space on my desk. I also have a cable management system in place. I own a MagSafe charging station. It makes it easier to charge all my devices at once. This includes my Apple Watch, iPhone and AirPods. I also love greenery as well, so I have a small plant on my desk to break up the tech. On the desk I also use the Logitech MX keyboard and mouse. And I also keep a small vertical notepad on my desk to write down any important points I may have while working. I still live at home and I have managed to create a space that works for my needs in this type of situation. Means I have divided my room up into 4 parts. The first section is the study area, a filing cabinet where I store my private stuff as well as uni work. I purchased an IKEA scatter pegboard. This is helpful to keep my stuff organized and it's easy to reach. I've also put my oil blends for my scent machine on there as well. For my desk, I have also had to consider how comfortable I want to be when working. Important to have an ergonomic setup. I own the Battle Bull gaming chair. These chairs are premium products, so they are not cheap. In the second half of my bedroom is where I keep my music station. What instrument do I play, if you are wondering? The bagpipes. Yes, I said the bagpipes. I have loved this instrument since high school. Okay, on another note, please remember to hit that subscribe button and reach out through the comments section and like the video. With that out of the way, it's time to get back to work.